Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful of God, who has given us some blessing of faith of Islam. Peace and upon to our Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has brought us from the era darkness to era brightness. Okay, hello everyone. Uh, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Faisal Driansyah. I'm from 10 grade of TKJ, and I want to and I will to make two video tutorial soft reset router. And now I want to tell you about material soft reset router, and after material or after theory I want to tutorial it. Okay, now I want to next. The meaning of soft reset router is the process of restoring the router's configuration to its default or factory settings without deleting the entire operating system or firmware. In the context of MikroTik, a soft reset is performed to remove the existing configuration, such as IP address, users, firewall settings, but the router remains accessible and usable after the reset is complete. When we must soft reset router, uh, we must soft reset router when selling the router and you want to return it to its original clean state without any configuration. When you want to start configuring the router from scratch after it has not been used for a while. When buying a used router that already contains configurations you don't need. Next, configuration reset option. These have five options. First, keep user configuration. Second, caps mode. Third, no default configuration. Fourth, do not backup. 5. Reset configuration without any selection. Okay, next. Now, function keep user configuration. First, delete all configuration except router access user data. And second, restores the configuration to the factory default setting. And now, function caps mode. Uh, that is, deletes all configurations and enables the caps mode feature, which allows the router to act as an controller for MikroTik wireless device. Next, function no default configuration. The first is deleting all configurations, including the default ones. And the second is the router configuration becomes completely empty. And now function do not backup. That is, deletes the configuration and restores it to default settings, but does not create a backup file auto before reset backup in the router's flash storage. Okay, next. Now function configuration without any selection. That is, restores the configuration to the default setting. Uh, Now I want to tutorial it and how to do it. Let's go with configure, and now we must to ready to open the your Winbox. And now if you have to open Winbox, how to soft reset configuration, uh, If your router is broke and the IP address or users not find, we must to click menu system, and in the menu system have to match the feature. And this I want we want to tutorial it about reset configuration. And now we can to click reset configuration. This the features. Before the tutorial I have to tell you about this feature. And now if you want to reset configuration, and just click the this button reset configuration and click. Do you want to reset all your configuration and reboot? Now we can to click button yes. If your Winbox log out, if you reset configuration is success. If you after the reset soft reset configuration, this the all. This the all, and this IP address from the MikroTik, guys. And now we can click and uh, because we have to soft reset configuration. Now there is not the password, and now click connect. Just click connect. Oh, I see. This is the password from the your router, because this the IP address from the MikroTik and the password uh, have to password from the MikroTik. Now, if you this like this, you be success. And now click OK. And now all the this you have the success. Okay, that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.